First, let the air out of the tire. Squeezing the tire can make it deflate faster. Then use the tool to remove the tire. When replacing the tire, pay attention to the arrow on the tire and install it in the direction of the tire's rotation. When installing the inner tube, remove the valve on the wheel hub. Install the inner tube into the tire. With the inner tube air valve facing the air valve port of the wheel hub. During installation, make sure the inner tube is not exposed. Push the tire forward into the wheel hub little by little for a better installation. Just inflate it after installation.